Okay, hello guys, here the solution of how to get rid of twitchy rudder head from Thrustmaster Airbus TCA Captain Series. I tried everything what I found on Google or YouTube. They are just recommending you to cleaning this potentiometer, and after that you will get rid of this kind of twitchy rudder, but it's not working. After a couple of weeks later you will get this problem again and again. So I got crazy about this one, so I tried everything, reassembled cables, reassembled everything, every parts, and I found the solution by my own idea. Now I'm gonna show this how to get rid of this problem. Okay, here the first one, as everyone recommended, cleaning the potentiometer, cables and the cardboard. Just wait a couple of minutes to dry. Okay, after that I applied an electrical tape to top of it, and here the main solution. You should just open another hole here to get out of the cards cables from here, then the potentiometer cables will be free here. Also I put a separator inside it. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Here inside a separator I applied it. Just open it from here, just pull it out, and after that put the separator to get separated from potentiometer cables and the board cables, and after that they will get separated and they won't touch each other while you are twitching. And after that I applied some glue here, and then just reassemble potentiometer. This is the solution. After all, you will just reassemble your joystick, plastic parts and bolts, and you will get rid of this issue. Now I'm going to show you. Also, it's important that put that potentiometer cables from this side and the board card cables on the back side. It's important so they won't get touch each other, so it won't get twitchy. So I just put back all screws, and here the solution. Let me show you. You see the sensitivity of rudder is perfect again. Okay, if you like it, do not forget to subscribe and like the video. I hope you guys get the solution. Thank you. Bye bye.